Mommy's kitchen. So I'm gonna make chocolate cupcakes. These ingredients we have. First we have to melt chocolate chips in the microwave. I'll show you, okay? Now we have melted the chocolate in the microwave. Now we'll mix it. Now we'll put maida in the sifter. Then cocoa powder also. Then baking soda and salt to taste. Serve this. Now mix nicely and mix well. See how is it? Now that's the end of the mix. In another bowl, we should add eggs. Careful. Now mix it.
I'll help.
No, you don't help. You take a video. Stand here. Now mix it. Add some brown sugar. Add some
Brown sugar.
brown sugar.
Careful.
You should add the curd. We mix it slowly and gently. It's the end of the mix. Add oil to this. Now mix everything out. Now we'll add some vanilla essence. Now mix well. Now add the melted chocolate.
Put it.
We'll add the chocolate mixer.
Chocolate mix.
Now let's fold it slowly. Now we'll put two cupcakes into this
Tray. Cupcake tray.
cupcake tray.
Put them around here.
Now let's add some chocolate. Now we'll bake this in the oven. Our cupcakes are ready. Now I'm going to taste one. It's very yummy and easy. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟ್ರೈ feedback கிடைக்கும், லைக் கிடைக்கும், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் கிடைக்கும். ஒரு வேறும் ரெசிபி டேக் கேர், பை பை, அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் Davi's Kitchen. So good, easy.